This section for mainstreams that help us improve the workflow and outputs in SketchUp. In this lesson, I will examine the plugins or extensions as SketchUp call it. The extensions are add-ons which we install it in SketchUp to have new features and functions in the software. The extensions we can find it on Extension Warehouse. This is official website for extensions as we know. Also SketchUp website. You can find extensions in the plugin store in which we can search and browse extensions. There are free and paid plugins. You can register in both websites and sign in to download from these websites. Then here in search box, write the name of the plugin you want, whether in Extension Warehouse or SketchUp website. We will download some extensions from both sites. The first one is Fredo Tools, the second is Live Fredo 6, the third one is Face Finder, number 4 is JHS Bar, number 5 is Selection Toys, number 6 is Solar North, last important one is 1001 Bit Tools Freeware. Because of there is a paid version of it, we will download the free one. Click download after sign in Extension Warehouse. Sign in the two websites and download these extensions. So in next lesson we will install these extensions.